Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Jamie and Marcus here. And
what is happening, everybody? Hopefully we'll be able to get service. I see a 5G tower in front of us, and there's usually 5G towers. They put a bunch of 5G towers. If you drive to Binghamton, they're everywhere. So hopefully we got good service all the way back, so we don't drop this Facebook Live. I'm a little late today on my live, so welcome everybody.
Welcome to Marcus's Facebook Live. Mine will be shortly when we get back to the restaurant. As you can see, we are on the road on our way home, and I'm not sure what's happening.
My phone. My phone has problems. It keeps pressing.
Anyway, so we are on our way home from Elmira. We were up in Elmira watching Justin play baseball, and we got lucky. We got very, very lucky, and we got to see Justin pitch last night in Elmira. They played the Elmira Pioneers at Dunn Field in Elmira. He's playing for the Jamestown Tarp Skunks. So that was very cool to actually get to watch him pitch. He pitched 2 innings. He came in another sticky situation. It was 3-2. I don't remember if there was anybody on base, right? Was anybody on base? I can't remember. I don't think so. But he came in, we were losing, Jamestown was losing 3-2, and he came in for 2 innings. 6 up, 6 down, Joel's saying, and that's exactly it. He pitched 2 innings, 6 up, 6 down, couple of pop-ups and some strikeouts. So it was awesome to see him on the mound. This was our first time watching him on the mound in almost a year.
Yeah, on a collegiate level. That's the first.
So this was our first time seeing him on the mound. It was really cool, especially after his ACL surgery that he had in January. It was awesome to see how
he was in
confident.
He was in total control. Total control. He was throwing strikes like crazy. At his 6 batters, I think he only threw 2 or 3 balls.
I think so.
And that was it. Everything else was strikes. Mm-hmm. They were missing them, or every single person who hit the ball on him
was popping up.
Popped it right up to, there's a deer there.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, there's a deer.
Yeah.
Popped it right to the first baseman, like a drooper to the right to the first baseman. So every batter. So it was nice to see him. Total control. He did. I guess he did that the time before too.
He did on Friday night. He did that as well. He only pitched to 2 batters on Friday night, but also got them out of a sticky situation. Unfortunately, the Jamestown Tarp Skunks lost last night. It was their first loss of the season. They lost 3-2, but they were.
That was their first loss?
That was their first loss.
Oh,
yeah, they've only played 3 games. So,
okay.
That was their first loss. So they are 2 wins, 1 loss. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, 2 to 1.
All right, cool.
So that was just really awesome to watch him, and to watch his teammates and the kids that he's living with all summer. We got to meet a couple of parents, which was cool, in a stadium. It was awesome. So, I cannot wait to go back and watch him play again. So.
Yep. All right. So tonight's our wine dinner in the garden. 4 wines in a dish, $29. We're doing 2 Sauvignon Blancs, one from Napa, one from Loire. The big differences in the same grape, and then 2 blends, Côte Saronne and an Italian blend with a couple of popular Italian grapes, including Sangiovese.
And what is the dish?
The dish tonight is a fish tostada. So brown rice tortilla, toasted with some organic black beans, some local cheese, avocados, a little salsa, a nice piece of Corvina fish on it, a little chopped lettuce. So that is tonight's dish.
Awesome.
$29. It's in our garden, and
we do have seats available. So if anybody is interested, give us a call.
Yep.
845-647-3000.
Yep.
And make your reservation. That starts at 6:30 tonight. So.
Great. So the next topic is a very cool boat.
Yeah.
So, a friend of ours up in the Finger Lakes, we went out on their boat yesterday. We're on their boat, and
it was a cool.
It was a cool boat. It's a speedboat. It's like one of those,
fast
torpedo-looking like speedboats, and an eye catcher and everything. And went up. Jamie drove it a little
I
bit.
drove.
Yeah, Jamie. Do you
A
call
little scary.
Do you drive a boat?
I don't know.
Is that called driving a boat?
No, I don't think so.
Do you drive
I don't know.
Because you don't drive a plane, you fly a plane.
Yeah, I don't know.
So what do you do with a boat? I don't know. I don't know what the exact
Steer
term
a
is.
boat?
Yeah.
Steer a boat? I'm not sure, but this boat was fast.
Yeah.
It was really fast.
I don't know how fast you were going, but the boat goes 107 miles an hour.
Yeah.
We didn't get it nearly up to that. But we went up the lake, had lunch, came back, and our friend goes, "Did I ever tell you the story on this boat? Do you know the story on the boat?" We're like, "No." He's like, "This was the original boat in Miami Vice, the TV set, the TV show.
84 to
86 to 89 or something. This was the original boat. In 89, they bought a new boat. It went and sat in storage for a while, and then our friend bought this boat. So
that's a cool story.
There might have been one owner in between them. I don't remember. But basically,
so, yeah.
the boat was the boat from Miami Vice, from the TV set. So when he's sitting there zipping on that fast boat, then we were on that boat, and we'll be back on that boat again shortly because that was a lot of fun. So we were on Seneca Lake in the pure sun. You can see we got tan. So I posted on my Facebook story yesterday. If anybody's friends with me on Facebook, the boat is on there. Jamie's on there driving it, sailing it. No, not sailing. It's not a sailboat.
If anyone has a boat and wants to invite us, we're game.
Yeah, we're game. Yeah.
We really like it.
We'll bring oysters. We'll bring food.
Yeah, we'll bring food and wine and drinks.
We'll
Just invite us to your boat.
Yeah. So, so very cool story on the boat. So if anybody saw my story, we don't own a boat yet.
No, we're not.
You don't want to own a boat. No. We have a lot of friends with boats. So
what is the saying?
The best days.
The best day is the day you buy it and the day you sell it.
Yeah.
Sell a boat. Yeah. No, I'm not interested in a boat, but thanks everybody for watching. We really, really appreciate it.
Drop a comment of where you're tuning in from, and drop a comment #live. Let us know if you're on live or on the replay, #replay. And let us know what Sauvignon Blanc you like. If you're a Sauvignon Blanc drinker, what do you like? Do you like California Sauv Blancs? Do you like French Sauv Blancs? I like Bordeaux Sauv Blancs. They make blends in Bordeaux.
Bordeaux.
Sancerre Sauv Blanc, of course, from the Loire. And, of course, New Zealand, which are very, very citrusy, grapefruity, very, very aggressive flavors.
Yes.
Too aggressive for me now. We used to love New Zealand Sauv Blancs, so that's sort of that. So you're going to taste tonight's wine dinner, the California versus the French, which is really going to be interesting. Same grape, just different vinification processes.
And last week we had to cancel Jazz because of the rain. I think that I'm just going to check the weather because I believe we will be able to have Jazz this Thursday night. This Thursday's calling. Let's see. This Thursday is calling for sun. So hopefully we'll be able to have Jazz in our garden on Thursday night at 6:30. So join us for that. I definitely recommend making reservations. It is John Simon and the Ellenville Jazz Trio. Not sure who will be playing, but that will be in our garden on Thursday night. And our $9.99 special this week is shrimp scampi with rice and broccoli to go. That is available all week. Just remember we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and back open on Thursday. So tonight and then Thursday. What else? Our $34.99 deal takeout is 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. And so lots of cool things happening. We're gonna get ready to announce our crawfish boil. That will be cool. And Father's Day is coming up. We are open, and we have 1999 IPA 4-packs to go.
Available right now. Got some really cool deals in there. Frost. We got some Frost cans in there from Connecticut, or Vermont. I mean, we have some OJ on Parole, Lock City from Connecticut. We got some really cool cans in those 4-packs, $19.99.
Awesome. So get your to-go stuff. That's it. That's it. Hope
we'll be back.
Everybody's awesome. I should be on live probably about 4:15, 4:30 for my drink of the day. So if anybody has any drinks they want to see me make, let me know, and I will shoot. To try to do one for you. So
it's hard for us to read comments.
So please,
but I hear
can't wait for the crawfish boil.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna do a couple this summer. I'll be shucking oysters here pretty soon out on the front street. again. And yeah, so that's, crawfish, oysters, lobsters. Waiting for the price of lobsters to come down still. Still very expensive. We were in Wegmans. Did you see the price of the lobsters in Wegmans?
I didn't.
$18.99 a pound. That's retail pricing. But sometimes you can get wholesale and retail pricing is almost the same with lobsters. So $18.99 a pound in Wegmans.
Wow.
We're at Wegmans in Ithaca.
Yes.
Right now we're almost in Liberty coming back, so we're really close
Yes.
to the restaurant. So we'll be back for service tonight.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, have an awesome day. And awesome. Well, I'll see you in a few.
Yep.
Probably about 45 minutes to
I
an
have a hat
hour.
in back. Can you show them one of the hats? Is there a hat right there?
I can't reach it. I can't reach it. It's back there.
Back there,
Yeah,
okay.
it's too far back.
If you haven't seen yet, we have these beautiful American-made baseball caps that have the Roman Time logo on them. I have one in the car here, but I don't want to reach back while I'm driving, and Jamie gets behind too far. But these great hats, they're $30 retail. If anybody wants to buy one, $30. Made in America. We don't make much on those hats. They cost us 4 times the price of imported Chinese hats. So that's the deal with those. But they are beautiful American-made baseball hats that are embroidered Roman Time Bistro. Real food, great bar. So one thing I was thinking of doing, I just mentioned this the other day. If you remember our van, our Roman Time van, we had it wrapped and our logo on it. I want to wrap the Lincoln.
Or do something.
I want to wrap the Lincoln with the Roman Time logo.
Maybe magnets on the side.
I want to get people's attention.
Okay, all
I want
right.
to get people's attention. I don't mind driving the car. It's my personal car. I don't mind driving it with the Roman Time logo. But I want to get people's attention. I don't know. Just thinking about that.
Think about it.
Because I know you were against it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I know you were against it.
I have my own car, so that's what you want to do.
I was just trying to promote.
We'll just take my car everywhere. I'm just kidding.
So the other day we mentioned that new business we're starting. We send drive.
All right, everybody, we're going to sign off because it looks like we are losing some
Going in and out of
here.
service.
So have a great day, or next hour. I'll see you in about an hour or so. Talk to you then. Bye.